Good morning, one and all. My name is Dr. Oda Srinivas Rao, Department of CSC, KL University. My subject is Mathematical Programming. Today, my topic Evolutionary Algorithms and Nature Inspired Meta-Heuristics Concept, Section 25. The aim of this section is to familiarize the students with the basic concept of evolutionary algorithms and nature-inspired meta-heuristic. The main objective of this topic, this section to design to demonstrate evolutionary algorithms and nature-inspired meta-heuristic concepts, the applications and mechanism of the evolutionary algorithms, and identify the different types of nature-inspired meta-heuristic concept. What are the outcomes of the above topic, evolutionary algorithm and nature-inspired meta-heuristic? After completion of this topic, the students able to understand the concept and different types of nature-inspired meta-heuristic concept. And the introduction part of the evolutionary algorithm. In a computational intelligence, an evolutionary algorithm is a subset of evolutionary computation. A generic population-based meta-heuristic optimization algorithm. An evolutionary algorithms uses the mechanisms to inspired by the biology such as reproduction, mutation, recombination and selection, recombination and selection. Candid solution to the optimization problem play the role of individuals in a population, and the fitness solution determines the quality of the solution, and the evaluation of the population then takes a place after the repeated application of the above operators. In computer science, evolutionary computation is a family of algorithms for global optimization inspired by the biological evaluation, and the subfield of artificial intelligence and soft computing studying these algorithms. In technical terms, they are a family of population-based trial and error problem solvers with a meta-heuristic or stochastic optimization character. In evolutionary computation, an initial set of the candidate solution is generated and iteratively updated. Each new generation is produced by the stochastically removing less desired solution and introducing a small random changes. In biological terminology, a population of the solution is subjected to nature selection or artificial selection and mutation. As a result, the population will gradually evaluate the increase in fitness. In this case, we chosen the fitness function of the algorithm. The evolutionary computation technique can produce highly optimized solution in a wide range of the problem settings, making them popular in computer science, and many variants and extensions exist cited to more specific families of problems and data structures. Evolutionary computation is also sometimes used in evolutionary biology as an in silico experimental procedure to study common aspect of the general evaluation process. The applications of the evolutionary algorithms are the main core area in which evalutionary algorithms are practically used are almost unlimited and range from the industry, engineering, complex scheduling, agriculture, medicine, robot movement planning, network design and routing, and mission intelligence, wired and wireless communication networks, and finance to research and art. The application of an evolutionary algorithm requires some rethinking from the inexperienced user, as the approach to a task using a evolutionary algorithm is a different from the conventional exact methods, and this is as usual not part of the curriculum of the engineers and other disciplines. For example, the fitness calculation must not only formulate the goal but also support the evaluationary search process towards it. For example, by rewarding the improvement that do not yet lead to a better evaluation of the original quality criteria. The mechanism of evaluationary algorithm, there are two main forces that forms the basic of the evaluationary system: the recommendation mutation and crossover that creates the necessary diversity and thereby the facilitate novelty, while selection act as a force increasing quality. When using the evaluationary algorithms, the steps in the optimization process generally includes: one is the problem formulation, that is a selection and definition of the decision variables and objectives and constraints. And second one is the selection of decision variable values. And third one is evaluation of objectives and constraints for the selected decision variable values, which is generally done using one or more simulation models. The selection of an updated set of decision variable values based on the feedback received from the evaluation process using some search methods. The repetition of the point 3 and 4 until the selected stopping criteria has been satisfied, passing the optimal solution into a appropriate decision making process. And the mechanism of the evaluation algorithm can be summarized in the following flowchart. First, start the algorithm, the initiate the population based mechanism and evaluation of the individuals, that is like as a fitness, and after completion of fitness you can go for the selection and then crossover mutation and then create the new population. The process is completed, then stop the criteria, otherwise you can go back to the fitness function of the new generation, and finally you can complete the end of the process. The flowchart of the evaluation algorithm can be defined the following way. And the nature inspired meta-heuristic is the second topic in this section. The nature inspired meta-heuristic are the types of meta-heuristics whose such strategy is inspired by the natural system. These algorithms are almost all population based algorithms. The nature inspired meta-heuristic can be categorized into four parts as follows. 1. Evolutionary algorithms inspired from the biology, for example genetic algorithm and a differential algorithm. And the second one is the swarm intelligence techniques inspired from the behavior of the social insect or animals, for example anti-colony and particle swarm. Third one is the physical based techniques inspired by the rules governing a natural phenomena, for example simulation annealing and self-propelled practicals. And fourth one, the human related techniques inspired from the human being, for example teaching learning based optimization, neural network algorithm, and society and civilization. And the above algorithms are categorized in different way. One is the evolutionary algorithms, the nature inspired algorithms, for example genetic algorithm, differential evaluation, and biography based optimization, swarm intelligent techniques, anti-colony optimization, gray wolf optimization, artificial bee colony, practical swarm optimization, and there are different type of the algorithms are involved in swarm intelligent techniques and human related techniques. This is the passing vehicle search and sine cosine algorithm, neural network algorithm, teaching learning based optimization concept, and the self-assessment questions related to the inspired based concepts. Which of the following nature inspired meta heuristic and evaluational algorithms inspired from either biological evaluation, human beings, and some rules governing natural phenomena and behavior of the social impact. And the terminal questions is related to the evolutionary algorithms and nature inspired algorithm. What is the main concept of the evolutionary algorithms? What is the role of population in evolutionary algorithm? What is the application of evolutionary algorithm? What are the advantages of the nature inspired algorithms? What are the examples of nature inspired algorithm? And the reference books related to the evolutionary algorithms and nature inspired optimization concepts, some of the sites and web links, and thank you very much.